The White House. It's the most recognizable building in the world.
Mr. President, your administration...
We see it in photos, on the news. We think we know everything about it. But do we? The Mata Atlantica stretches thousands of miles along the coast of Brazil, from the temperate south of the country to the tropical north. The forest extends nearly 400 miles inland, creating a wide range of habitats. Apparently, we love our pets so much, 62% of animal owners allow their cats or dogs to sleep in the same bed with them. After all, how dangerous can a sleeping Mr. Sniffles or Big Macs really be? Very. Aurora began experiencing excruciating pain throughout her body and suddenly went blind in one eye.
I'd like you to open your eyes wide and focus straight on my nose.
Doctors found 10 brain lesions and diagnosed her with rapid onset MS, an incurable disease that attacks the brain and spinal cord. So each winter, a race against the clock begins. A rush into the tundra in which man and machine fight to accomplish their work before the thaw. It is a constant struggle against the harshest conditions that Alaska can deliver.